Part 6. Guys, how about let's play Don't Pick the Poisonous Candy. But I want to play alone, but with you guys. Okay.
Habang tumatanda yan, mararamdaman
Pick one. I'm not going to.
binibenta na rin.
Okay, you're done? Okay. My turn. You close your eyes.
Alam mo ba yung sasakyan para sa mayayaman
Okay, I'm done. Okay.
sa mga
Okay, one. This one? Yeah. Safe. Safe, you're safe.
Safe siya, bago nakatapos. Parating ng pinangkul siya.
Safe?
Diba?
Check. Go to the comments below if I'm safe.
Maanji naman.
This one?
Kaya na tayong hira. Ata, bali straight.
Both safe.
Paksak yung perso.
Comment down below again if it's safe.
Ito, pag sirabi yan.
This one?
Ilang beses na abang
Huh? You're not safe.
ilang beses na nabaglayan sa sakyan.
Good job, by the way. You're cool.
Sinasayo.
Cool friend.
Mukhang maganda pagkakakapit.
What can I say? Sarap na. It's okay. Like this, stay like forever. Vampire kid. Ouch. Another vampire. I'm scary. Oh gosh, please no. We need a part 7. The part 7. A 7. Lord God, we need a part 7. Jesus Christ, we need a part 7.